Blow, blow the winter wind. Iron market uncle reading Buddhism. I appeal to my all brethren, young brethren and his friends. Read. Read only Buddhism, Buddhist economy. Don't go to the service class. Even after being the best man of the world, you have met Indians, have met the world. So don't go into service sector like banking or IT. Make India hub of manufacturing, hardware manufacturing sector. Make the world as England to Manchester that make the hub center of the manufacturing fabrics. So make everything in India. You have the brain. Bihar is the best. Best brand because all the raw materials are available there. So iron market uncle. Just I was reading yesterday. Very brilliant interview of VIP Vishal Vaisham, where really their products, IT engineers, so they should make with the political will of the people, political will of the Indians, political will of Haldar alone can make as in when he was the Union Minister, Ramaswamy Singh of Bihar, of Gaya, of Nikari, he had declared and made Hajipur the hub of electronic city, where this political will had gone to make again the political will of to make hub of the hardware manufacturers. Not go to and they will like other companies will have better future, better economic opportunities. What today Trump is doing, threatening, they are all made by the Indians. They're all product, they're everything, and now they are being threatened by the Chinese and Indians. So it is out of fear. The fear action of quotas is increasing the tariff on the products because their trade surplus also is in favor of India. And so that is the fear of the quotas and Americans. They are losing their ground of super economic positions, and now time will come very soon. So follow only Buddhist economy and make your country center, hub center of the hardware manufacturing. Don't go for service. Don't look down by the others, go to them as a servant, but go as a master, as a salesman of the good products of your own country that will make India. And so, as diplomat's duty of every country, as how to turn the tables to nations, as great diplomat of India was Alexander Sir in Moscow, who had turned the table when these two superpowers and India was just a born independent country, political independence, but turned the table and made India go. Listen, I am from the Axis power, Subhash Chandra Bose, who had made India first independence, superpower. So, first independence of India was brought to India by Subhash Chandra Bose. Axis power defeated, but economically, and again see Japan emerged. So they are not our friends. The Americans, Europeans, they are all never want us to go up to superpower. They fear our superpower quality and capacities of India and China to go up. So, as I'm reminding you, when China war has gone, and Pakistan is India, Pakistan, Bangladesh is India. It is all creation of the poisonous mind of the Europeans and Americans, white Europeans, white capitalists, to make, not to rise India and China super economic power, which they are and they will be very soon. So no need to fear Trump, sir, or let the Trump and Putin meet, but it is a New Delhi or Patna alone have a future, bright future. Let them put how many high tribes, but India is not going to go. India will go up with iron market, alcohol, really, only Buddhism. Buddhist India, Buddhist ambassador of India will rule as Nixon had lost a Buddhist Vietnam. So Trump, sir, is digging his own fall by fighting the Indian brain. That is my message.